Hi everybody, I'm Karen Graff, and today I want to talk to you about the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. I've been using oils in my home since 2016, and I absolutely love them. I never actually imagined that I would become so passionate about what I'd found that I would create videos to try and share with others natural remedies and how we can take care of ourselves from home. Okay, I have 4 kids and they all love the oils as well. So we decided to start with Young Living, and the reason why we chose Young Living is because they're the pioneer in essential oils, truly. Young Living was distilling and growing essential oils on their farms long before anyone else even thought of it. They incorporated in 1994 and are now doing business globally around the world, a billion-dollar company. So I chose Young Living because of something really special. And if you want to know what the difference is between our oils and anything else you might be looking at, the difference is the seed to seal promise. So what that means is Young Living has control over the entire process from seed to seal. So we only use non-genetically modified seeds. We grow them, we cultivate at the perfect time, then we test, distill, test, and bottle. So from seed to seal, we control the whole process. There's no middlemen involved, and it's very, very exacting science. But we do it because we want to make sure that nothing goes into our bottles but 100% pure essential oil. So that's the main reason I chose Young Living. Another reason was that they are registered as natural health products with Health Canada. So that made me feel really secure as a mom that I wasn't the only one that knew these products were amazing. So our premium starter kit, as you can see here, it comes in this gorgeous box with 11 oils and a beautiful desert mist diffuser. So you can choose the desert mist diffuser, or you can choose one of the other diffusers. I like this diffuser because you can have it run from 4 to 5 hours, or you can do it intermediate where it runs for about 6 to 7 hours, or you can have it on very low mode so it can last all night up to 10 hours. So for me, I need help relaxing all night, right? I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night. So I love the Desert Mist Diffuser. It also has 11 different colors that you can click through, but what is really pretty is the candle mode. So on this quick video today, I'm not going to get into the deep essential oil training. I just want to let you know what's included in your kit when you get started and why the value is so great. So the premium starter kit is $199.75, which is fantastic. If you go to get a diffuser at the store, it's going to be about $80, especially a gorgeous one like this. When you buy from us, your diffuser has a year's warranty, which is fantastic. So if you think to yourself that the diffuser is about $80, that would leave each of these oils at $10 an oil for 100% pure therapeutic grade. So that means oils that are going to give you results. All right, so let's go through the oils and just a quick overview of how I use them in my home. So when you get your premium starter kit, you're going to get this gorgeous box and the diffuser box. So when you open it, it's actually going to slide off like that, and inside there's a second layer. So this would be on the top of the box, and then a second layer underneath. And what's under here is 2 Ninja Red drinks, which is our antioxidant drink. Also comes with a Thieves hand sanitizer. So very, very powerful. You guys, if you're out and about in the world, You want to make sure you always have this in your purse, but not only that, you need them in your children's lunch bags, okay? You got to be very aware of what's in every product you use. When I went looking, everything had synthetic toxins in it, and I don't want that on my kids' hands. So it's really cool that that comes in there as well. And also a roller top. Okay, so a little roller top that you can put on any of the bottles that I'm going to show you. Also comes with some little bottles, 10 of these, if you want to travel with your oils or you want to make a pretty little case to carry them in your purse, so you always have them. You can leave the big bottles at home and then carry your little bottles with you in a nice case there. So I'm going to use what we call a quick look sheet. So when you start with our oily family, we have all kinds of resources for you. You're not going to be left alone. We're going to teach and train you every single thing you need. We have resources. If somebody asks you about the oils, we can help you share. But if all you want to do is use the oils for yourself, that's totally cool too. We have all kinds of things like welcome packages and resource books for you. So to start with, we're going to go through each oil and the uses that I use at home for my natural remedies kit. And that's what I like to call it. We have actually gotten rid of so many toxins in our home, you guys. You have no idea. Where I used to run to the drugstore to buy the things for coughs and colds and headaches and sleep help and calming and tummy help, I honestly have been shocked that I don't have to do that anymore. For over 2 years, I started in 2016, I have been using these oils. My children have not had anything from the drugstore. Amazing, right? If we can keep the synthetics out of our body, we're going to be able to live healthier lives, and that's the whole point. So let's talk about how you use the oils. So aromatically, dietary, and topical. So we do have a plus line of oils. They have a white label. You can put them in your water. These oils here are great for topical use, and they're also great for in the diffuser. You can dilute with any oil that you'd like a fatty oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil. This is an oil from Young Living called V6, and what I love the most about this is the pumper. So I go around to each of the children's rooms at night and I can give them a little massage. Just make the oils go a little bit further. But typically, most of these oils aren't that hot, so my kids and I use them directly on our skin, and I'll talk about the hot oils as we go along. So number one is RC. So we're going to talk about RC first. RC stands for respiratory care, okay, or respiratory congestion. So in the spring, if you get a little bit plugged up outside, this is going to be a great oil for you to just rub on your chest, put a little drop here or there. A little goes a long way with our oils being 100% pure. RC smells so amazing. It's got 3 types of eucalyptus, cypress, and spruce in it. So it smells incredible in the diffuser. If somebody is coughing and they need help breathing, it's also registered with Health Canada as a natural health product for coughs and colds. So I witness this with my children all the time. 4 kids, right? I just rub a couple drops on their chest and it's a miracle to me to see them stop coughing. I mean, what did I used to give them, right? So much better. Lavender is next, and lavender is also registered with Health Canada as a natural health product. So I use lavender a lot for relaxing. I use it to make sure I get good rest at night. I use it in my car diffuser when I pick up the kids to help them stay calm. Lavender is an adaptogen. It's going to go to work in your body the way your body needs it. It's registered with Health Canada for joint and muscle pain, relaxing, of course, coughs and colds as well, tummy and headache. So what I love the most about having the kit of 11 different oils is every body is different. So you may respond best to lavender and I may respond best to frankincense, right? So we definitely love that the kit gives you a well balance of all the oils so you can see what your favorites are and what your body responds best to. Next is Pan Away. Pan Away, kind of pain away is how I remembered when I got started. This is fantastic Pan Away for any aches and pains that you have. So Pan Away is a blend with wintergreen, clove, helichrysum, and peppermint. So it really goes deep into the painful joints or any aches that you have and relieves that. I have seen so many incredible testimonies. I've heard them, I've seen them. I had a woman in my home a few months back who couldn't bend her fingers. She applied the Pan Away and within about 5 to 10 minutes, she had movement back. So I absolutely love that product. When I'm doing something for aches and strains, I like to also use Pan Away and then I put Copaiba over top of it. Copaiba is known as a magnifying oil. So it's gonna boost the effect of whatever other oil you're using it with. Copaiba is wild harvested from the Brazilian rainforest. And I always love that. I mean, I'm sitting here in my home and I'm lucky enough to have this incredible essential in my home. Next is Digize, and Digize is just like it says, digestion, right? So many of us, as we get older, really fight with indigestion, bloating, other tummy issues. Digize is registered with Health Canada as a natural health product for tummy issues, okay? So it is a game changer. I cannot tell you enough. So with Digize, all I do is I go like 1, 2, 3 drops and then I rub it clockwise on my stomach. I absolutely cannot tell you what's gonna happen. I mean, you're gonna feel so much better right away. So that is our go-to oil for any tummy issues. Next up we have peppermint, and peppermint is fantastic for so many different things. Peppermint is registered with Health Canada as a natural health product. It's great for joint and muscle pain, relaxing, cough and cold, and again for tummy. I like to use peppermint for focus and concentrating. We use peppermint a lot in the house to help the kids with their homework. Or if I have to get something done, what I like to do is take a couple drops in my hand, rub it, and really deeply inhale. Sometimes I even put it directly on my head and work with it like that to go directly into my brain, and I love it. You're gonna notice great help with focus and peppermint. Next up is purification. So in the beginning, I remembered purification, that it was a blend because there's no purification tree, right? Or plant. There's a lavender plant, there's a peppermint plant, there's lemon, but purification, Digize, Pan Away, those are blends, okay? Purification purifies the air. It is incredible. It is a blend of lemongrass, rosemary, melaleuca, myrtle, and citronella. So those are a lot of great oils for the outdoors. We like to put purification on before we go anywhere outside. Love it. We love purification for anything stinky in our house. Stinky dogs, stinky kids, stinky hockey gear. You guys are going to love it. It's so fresh. Absolutely awesome. And it's really great on your dryer balls too. I already did Copaiba. Thieves. You might have heard about Thieves because Thieves is a very powerful blend. We're actually the trademarked owners of the Thieves blend, if you can believe it. Thieves is a blend of clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus. Thieves is registered in Canada as a natural health product for coughs and colds. So if you get one of those colds where you're having a hard time swallowing, this is one of the oils that you might find warm. So when I have a cough or I say knives in my throat, I like to put a little bit of coconut oil or V6 oil in my hand and then put a drop or two of the Thieves and rub it directly on my throat. I cannot tell you how incredible it is. The clove really goes to work at numbing your throat and the pain goes away. I love it. Thieves is also just gonna help you stay healthy. So we put Thieves on the bottom of our kids' feet before they leave. We make them wash their hands when they get home with Thieves soap. We have Thieves household cleaner, Thieves toothpaste. This company is fantastic, you guys. It's so much more than oils. The Thieves blend smells like Christmas. It's just so warm and earthy. Everybody loves it over here. Next we have lemon. Lemon is also registered as a natural health product for coughs and colds. So lemon's fantastic in your house for any jobs that need cleaning. It's also fantastic to lift the mood, okay? So if you're feeling really blue and sad, we like to put lemon in to help perk the kids up in the morning. Lemon and peppermint is a fantastic blend for mornings. Next is frankincense, and frankincense is the king of oils. You guys, frankincense for all the things. So if you're brand new to oils and you're just getting started and you're not sure what to grab and there's a bit of a thing going on, lavender or frankincense, they're fantastic for all the things, okay? I'm just going through a couple of the uses right now, but you can Google, research, get a book from the library. There's so much information and so many scientific studies on the use of essential oils. So I use frankincense for calming down. I like to use it on the back of my daughter's spine. It really helps her ground. I like frankincense with a drop of moisturizer. So we have this beautiful moisturizer here. I put a drop in my hand and a drop of frankincense. It really helps with wrinkles, ladies, and keeps you calm. It's just a great way to start the day and end the day. Last but not least is the Northern Lights Black Spruce. And Northern Lights Black Spruce, how tree oils were described to me from Gary Young, the founder of our company, was trees are very strong, right? They're very grounded. So I think of tree oils as very hormonally grounding, very solid and strong. So I like to put Northern Lights Black Spruce in the diffuser. At the end of the day, I like to rub it on the bottoms of my feet. It smells incredible. And Northern Lights Black Spruce is actually from our Northern Lights in Fort Nelson, BC, Canada. So that one's really close to my heart, being our very own farm here in Canada. So that's a little bit about our oils, you guys, and why I love them so much. This is just a little bit. There's so much more, like I said, than oils that I could ever go through on a short video like this. But I hope that this is enough for you to start looking and maybe get started. All you gotta do to reach me is